Simple, I can wrap my head around it. Be my lady, cause you keep it around it. You see all the women in my DMs, it's astounding. You ain't gotta...
Welcome back, guys. What's up? So today I have a new hair video. Now I know you're seeing a completely different company name that I would usually have. Today, the hair that I'm gonna be featuring is from Klaiyi hair. This is 100% virgin hair, okay? And this is the packaging. Obviously, I've already opened it. Had to take a peek of what is inside. So, what I have here today is some bundles. I got some bundles. Can you guys tell how excited I am? This is what the packaging looks like. I get the bundles. I got a frontal. It's 4 bundles. A frontal. I got this bundle. Like, guys, growing up, I would have so many of these, and then over time these just are not around like that anymore. I guess 1 or 2 places will still have them, but they don't make them like this no more. And it's like a nice, neat braided type of style. I'm really grateful for this in my package. This center lash and return policy form in there. Is there anything else? And there is like a little invoice stating what is in there. Okay, so I'm gonna definitely link this down below. So these are all Brazilian virgin hair bundles. Okay, so I got a frontal, as I mentioned before, and 4 bundles. And of course, this video I'm also going to be making a wig. But since my birthday, I've just been in the mood. If you guys remember, I colored my bundles, my curly bundles. And that's what I'm going to do with this today again. You know, sometimes you just want to switch it up. And this year for me is all about switching up my look, being more fun and adventurous with my look. So, you know, sometimes black and sometimes color. That's just how it's going to be. Yeah, I want to actually do this in ink blue. Alright, so that's the vision for this hair. Let me show you the blue that I want to use. So I feel like, okay, so I got indigo blue from Adore. I'm hoping that this will be dark enough. If not, I might have to go and get a darker blue, but we're gonna see how it works out. Yeah, but I don't know, the first things first, it's to bleach the hair. Unlike last video where I just used the color and developer, not this video. This video I'm actually going to bleach the hair. So what you're gonna need for that, I have some leftover 40 volume developer from Klaiyi. I have a bunch of those. I have my Klaiyi basic white. As usual, you know, you need your mixing bowl and you need foil paper. Okay, and you need to protect your hands, so you need gloves. Okay, so pretty much it's just like a watch and go type of thing. I love how luscious and soft these curls are feeling. Feels very full. As you can see, it's a regular frontal that I got. I believe this is a 13x6 frontal, and of course you can see it's a regular 1B color. It's very nice, very nice curly bundles. As I said, I'm going to put the specific link down below where you can go ahead and shop these bundles and frontal if you're interested, to get them from Klaiyi here. Yeah, so I'm just gonna jump in to the whole bleaching process right now. All right, so let's get to it.
You could be the muse to my passion. We can make love like an act of God. I just match my words to my actions. Magic in my life's everlasting. I say I could have the world, don't be with any girl, but something about your style makes me wanna man up. We should fill our cups, catch a flick and do some stuff. I'm used to one night stands, but with you that's not enough. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see ya. Please give me a sign, yeah. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. 100% in games I don't wanna play. I've been on my grind, I just wanna lay down with you. Spark a doobie, hit the town with you. Life is complicated, but I found in you something simple, I can wrap my head around it. Be my lady, cause you keep it around it. You see all the women in my DMs, it's astounding. You ain't gotta worry about a thing, you got me grounded.
So guys, as you can see, it's all bleached now and stuff. You're seeing that perfectly. You know the waves, it's natural, it's going to get a little looser, so that's all that is. So I kind of combed it out because I don't want any clumps in the hair, so I'm going to proceed to start to color it. Now I'm good with this to how light it got. I didn't want to really get it any lighter because I mean it's going to be like midnight blue anyways, so I didn't need to get it super light. Gonna put on my gloves and then proceed to applying this color here to the hair. I have 2 bottles. I didn't get a chance to get, this is actually the next day, by the way. As you can see, this is all dry. I air dried it and stuff, so yeah, it's kind of like a lengthy process, you know. You have to do this when you're not necessarily rushing, you know. So yeah, just take your time, because when you take your time, everything comes out way better. So that's all I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna kind of just fast forward the video.
We can make love like an act of God. I just match my words to my actions. Magic in my life's everlasting. I say I could have the world or be with any girl, but something about your style makes me wanna man up. We should fill our cups, catch a flick and do some stuff. I'm used to one night stands, but with you that's not enough. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see ya. Please give me a sign, yeah. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. Please give me a sign, yeah. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. Why you presenting games I don't wanna play?
It took a whole bottle of Adore. Now I'm going to close it up and leave it for 24 hours to sit, because I feel like that's the best thing to do to ensure that the hair soaks up all the color. Nothing is more irritating to me than when I do apply color and I don't leave it in there long enough because I'm rushing and it's not done properly. That's just more work. So just do it good one time and done. So I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other bundles and the frontal. So I'll just skip over that and then I'll come back when it's all dry and stuff. So this is gonna take a whole next day and then I'll continue on with the next clip. So guys, not because I'm just doing a one video, them video here take time. Alright, because then after all of this I'm going to have to move on to actually making the wig. So this is a lot of time. Alright? Basically, I'm here days later, like legit, I'm not exaggerating, days later to start making this wig. I made sure these bundles soaked in this blue color. I'm going to say for 48 hours for each. Initially I wanted to do it for 24 and it's not that it didn't take the color or anything, it's just that I ended up forgetting that I had them soaking, so I had to do it even. So for I ran out, so I went ahead and did 2 bundles first, and then when I got the rest of the color I did the frontal and the other bundle. So yeah, so I'm here, these are well soaked. This one came out a little bit lighter and I don't mind, but it took the color so well. They all took the color so well. So I'm going to move on to the wig portion right now. Basic stuff you need when making a wig. You need your dome cap, which I have here. You need a scissors so you can cut your thread, stuff like that. You need your sewing threads, and of course you need your hair.
Hit the town with you. Life is complicated, but I found in you something simple, I can wrap my head around it. Be my lady, cause cause you keep it around it. You see all the women in my DMs, it's astounding. You ain't gotta worry about a thing, you got me grounded. Yeah, I say any truth that I wanna say. Let's appreciate our youth like it's our final days. I'm the rarest in the deck, call me ace of spades. Life is anything we choose, and I would choose you, baby. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see ya. Please give me a sign, yeah. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. Please give me a sign, yeah. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign if you wanna come through. Oh yeah. We can make love like an act of God. I just match my words to my actions. Magic in my life's everlasting. I say I could have the world, or be with any girl, but something about your style makes me wanna man up. We should fill our cups, catch a flick and do some stuff. I'm used to one night stands, but with you that's not enough. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see ya. Please give me a sign, yeah. Give me a sign if you wanna come. Please give me a sign, yeah. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. Why you presenting games I don't wanna play? I've been on my grind, I just wanna lay down with you. Spark a doobie, hit the town with you. Life is complicated, but I found in you.
I'm gonna hit install it. You guys know that I just fast forward through that portion. Like, this is some beautiful hair. It's so gorgeous. As you know, because it's bleached, naturally the curls will get looser, so that's why I guess like a lot of people don't usually color their curly hair, you know, because realistically if the curls will get looser. I only ended up using like 2 3/4 of a bundle. I'm back, I'm glammed. If you want to see this mini makeup tutorial, then you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram. That's where it's posted. It's not here on YouTube, so you must go ahead and check out my Instagram in order to see this little glam going on right here. And of course I'm inspired by blue, so I changed my backdrop and all that, because I just felt like it's only right that I did all blue. Alright, so now I'm gonna unravel this because I went ahead and did a little bit of one curl because I wanted a very voluminous look.
You could be the muse to my passion. We can make love like an act of God. I just match my words to my actions. Magic in my life's everlasting. I say I could have the world, or be with any girl, but something about your style makes me wanna man up. We should fill our cups, catch a flick and do some stuff. I'm used to one night stands, but with you that's not enough. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see ya. Please give me a sign, yeah.
Okay guys, as you can see, it came out really midnight blue, which I don't mind. This goes out to all my people who wants to be more low-key but still want to be fun, but you can't manage to come out too strong, so you're not bother with the bold blue, so you do the midnight blue / the ink blue. This goes out to you. This, I feel like it's that perfect toned down blue, and that's why I opted to do it, because guess what? I'm easing into things. I'm easing into things because I'm going to be trying some really bold colors. Catch me like next week or the week after. I'm going to be doing some really bold colors. I have them planned out. I listed them, okay? I have pictures of the colors that I want to do, and I'm just excited to go ahead and do them. The camera isn't doing this much justice right now. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. I list the bundles and everything down below on the hair, the colors I used, you know. It was a lengthy process, and this was exactly the color I was going for. I just wish the camera would pick up the blue a little bit more, but this is, you see how close I have to be coming, but this is exactly how I wanted it to come. As I said, I did a little light one curl. You guys know how to one curl, so I didn't bother to drag out the video any longer because this video is already so long. Yes, because I started editing it already. So I didn't want to drag it out anymore, showing you guys me winding up the hair. So, and that's only because, as I explained before, that, you know, with bleaching curly hair, it will loosen the curls some. And honestly, I did not mind because I knew that I definitely wanted blue here on this texture anyway. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Go ahead and give this video a thumb up, comment your thoughts down below, and as usual, leave your colors that you want me to do in other ways or here down below if you haven't already done so, and video suggestions as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, go and be up on yourself.
Son, if you wanna come through